Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. Today I am doing the simplest, most economical, basic pour that I could possibly do. I am using Apple Barrel craft paints from Walmart, a value pack 8x10 canvas from Michaels. My mix, my pouring medium is 50% floetrol, 50% glue all, Elmer's Glue all, with about another 5 to 10% water to make it nice and flowy. I put 1 drop of silicone in each cup of color. I mix the color with the floetrol 50-50, or the pouring medium. So I made my pouring medium, then put 50% paint and 50% floetrol in the cup. Then I put in the drops of silicone. Poured it, layered it into a cup from dark to light, flipped it, and now here's what we have. I used, I think, 3 or 4 colors and white. My white is tinted with a little gold, so it has a creamy kind of color to it. And for the background paint, I used some Artist Loft mixed with the pouring medium, and I tinted that with a little tiny bit of magenta. And that's it. And I like these kinds of pours because they often come out looking like forms that you would see in nature, either in geology or biology or under the ocean or in the clouds. Very simple painting, easy to do. I'm going to be leading a class of people in pour painting, and I'm not sure how many of them will be total beginners. So I decided to go back to the total beginning so that we could start from square one. Thank you for joining me, and I will do more of these, and I hope to see you in the next video.